Hi, I'm Paula from Bulgaria, and I'm studying and learn universal energy since 2007. What is it, Hoesa, for me? This is a very um, very nice school. It's a spiritual school. Also, it's develop your body if you do the exercises, but also we have lots of techniques that help us get rid of some bad habits that we have. Also, together when we meet, we share lots of love and stories, not only happy stories, but also some that we have some troubles in our life, and when we share, we can help each other and release some of the negativity that we have in our lives. Hoesa, it's my life. It's a big part of my life, and it's not only a a lifestyle that you do like half of your time, but it's something that you develop together with what you do as your job, with your friends, with your family. It's give you lots of peace and love. So you should try and see yourself. Thank you.